What's going on, family? Black Feniks checking in right now. I'm outside of the container conversion project. Just got through dropping off my trailer. Had to go pick up a few needed things. Man, I'm so glad I built my tools. Boy, it's good when you can take care of things and you don't have to wait around on nobody. Because some people, man, when you're networking with certain people, man, they'll have you waiting forever. You know, they don't see your time as being valuable when you're networking. So it's good to build your own tools, man, and that's why I say that. But I just picked up some trim and picked up my stuff from the sheetrock. You know, everything I needed for the corners, do the doors, some mud, and got a few more things that I need, tape and all that good stuff. So that way we can start summing it up. But it's gonna look good, man. My goal is to have a neat storefront so that we can be able to kill several birds in one stone. Like I say, this year is all about products. Products over talent. Products over talent. Products over talent. I can't stress it enough, y'all. Products over talent. Products over talent. I'm going to keep saying it till you really get it. Products over talent. HogOn.